Do you know who worked in the early factories in India? Mostly people from villages. Industrialization led to the growth of factories in India. It also created a new working class. Factories were set up in cities like Bombay and Calcutta. Textile and jute industries developed during this period. Workers came from villages to cities. They searched for jobs in the new factories that were being set up. A new industrial working class was formed. These workers started living near the factories in crowded neighborhoods. Working conditions in the factories were very poor. The atmosphere inside was harsh and unhealthy for the workers. Workers had to work for very long hours every day. Many had very little time to rest or spend with their families. Despite working hard, wages were very low. Many families struggled to buy enough food or basic necessities. Factories were unsafe. Machines had no safety guards, accidents were common, and workers often got injured. Jobs in the factories were not secure. Workers could lose their jobs at any time with no warning or security. Women also worked in factories along with men. Child labor was commonly seen, with many children also working in tough jobs. Facing many problems, workers started protesting. They demanded better wages, safer conditions, and shorter working hours. Industrialization created a new working class. It led to the growth of labor movements and brought important social and economic changes to Indian society. Quick revision: growth of factories, migration of workers, poor working conditions, and worker protests were key features of industrialization in India. Question 1. Who were the industrial workers in India? They were mostly people from villages who migrated to cities to work in factories. Question 2. What were the working conditions in factories? Workers had long hours, low wages, and unsafe working conditions. Next topic: expansion of markets.